You may have heard this is one of the easiest ways to make money online. Alright, to get started, we need to find the right product in the right niche, one that'll perform well on this particular platform. You see, whether it's YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, or Pinterest, they all have a slightly different core audience. For Pinterest, I would choose between the health, wealth, and relationship niche. Now that you know what niche you're going to target, it's time for you to choose a good affiliate offer. There are many affiliate marketplaces to choose from, like Digistore24, Warrior Plus, Impact, and PartnerStack. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be demonstrating using ClickBank. After logging into ClickBank, you can head to the top offers section, where you can browse through the selection of the highest performing offers. These are the products that other affiliates are having the most success with. Just start by searching for a product in your niche that has a high gravity score. So as I scroll down, under the spirituality, new age, and alternative beliefs category, I like this item called Wealth Manifestation. This is an informational product of some kind. And now if I click on the affiliate page and fill in my details, I'll get all this information about how this product works. And then by entering my ClickBank ID here, I'll get all my affiliate links. There's also a bunch of pre-built marketing materials here that you can use to promote this product. Alright, now that we know this law of attraction or manifestation product is performing well on ClickBank, the next step is to see how well this will do on Pinterest. To do this, just go to trends.pinterest.com. Here you can search for similar keywords related to your product or offer. For instance, I'll type in manifesting money. Then I'll select from these results, and as you can see from the graph here, these types of keywords have been getting steady traffic over the past year, and this is what you would call an evergreen niche. By that I mean it stays popular year-round and not just occasionally or seasonally. And we can also see here some of the user demographics for people searching in this niche, the main audience here being over 80% female with the age ranges here. Now let me click here and give you a better look at some of the most popular pins. And this is how people are really making their money with these posts. You'll find if you click on one of these, for example this one, most of the time you'll end up on some kind of product sales page. So if I were to follow this link and buy something, then the creator of this pin would get a commission or a percentage of this purchase. And that is precisely how affiliate marketing works. Alright, now that we've determined that this particular product has a good potential for success, we can move on to the next step, creating your Pinterest account. Just click on sign up and register with your email address, password, or your Google account. After you're signed up, you'll be directed to this page. From here, the first thing you need to do is upgrade your account to a business account. Just click on Convert to Business and select Upgrade. Then fill out your business name, website, and country here. And it's also important that you center this information around the niche that you're looking to target. So for this account, I'll type in Wealth Manifestation Tips. And I don't have a website, so no for this option. And then we'll proceed with Next. And finally, you'll need to add a banner and upload a profile image. For this, you can find nice copyright-free images at pixels.com. Here in Pixels, I just searched wealthy woman and scrolled through until I found the perfect banner and profile image. Now after downloading these, you can add to your Pinterest banner. Then to change your profile image, just click Edit Profile, then change your photo. And you'll also need to fill out the remainder of your information here, which is all straightforward, so I won't bore you with this. And there you go. Super easy. Your new Pinterest account is ready. Alright, at this stage, it's time to build what we call a lead magnet. Simply put, this is how you'll begin to build an email list of potential clients that you can promote your products to in the future. This email list is going to be clutch when it comes to scaling this into a long-term sustainable business. There are many different kinds of lead magnets, the most common being PDF guides or ebooks because they're super easy to create. For example, I'll show you how to create a mini ebook. Simply visit your friend ChatGPT and prompt it to give you a 5-chapter ebook with 100 words in each chapter on manifesting money with the law of attraction, and ask it that this be written out in a table format with a chapters column and a body column. You'll see why later in the video. And just like that, we've written our mini ebook. You've gotta love ChatGPT. Now after you've tweaked this to your liking, then it's time to go put it all together in Canva. Alright, to get started here, search ebook. They have a ton of designs here, just choose what you like. And here's a pro tip. To speed up the process and avoid copying and pasting all these chapters manually, after you've added a design that you like, just group the text and delete it, leaving yourself a blank black page. Then add a heading and a subheading, adjusting their size and font to what you like. Then from the toolbar on the left, click Apps and scroll down to find Bulk Create and select Enter Data Manually. Once here, you want to clear these examples, then go to ChatGPT and copy your table formatted book. Bring it back here, paste it, and click Done. Now all you need to do is right-click on the text box and select Connect Data. This will connect all your chapters, then repeat the process with the body, selecting Connect Data, then click Continue, and very quickly, Canva will produce all 5 chapters of your book. Check to make sure everything looks good, adjust if necessary, then go back to your original template and add it back as a new page. Then select the up arrow to move this page to the top, clean it up as you like, and there you go, super simple mini ebook. But there is one more thing, and this is what separates my system from others you may have seen. Nobody else is explaining how to build your own email list while simultaneously promoting your affiliate product. You see on the affiliate page here on ClickBank, it'll tell you to directly link their sales page. But if we did that, then how would we collect the emails and build an email list for ourselves? Well, I found a workaround, and that's by adding the affiliate link here inside our mini ebook with hyperlinks. Let me show you. Back on the affiliate page, after you've entered your username and generated your links, you want to right-click and copy one of these images. Bring it back to Canva and paste it to the first page and the last page of your ebook. Then you want to connect your affiliate link to this image, so when somebody clicks, they'll be directed to the product you are promoting. To connect your affiliate link, just right-click the image, then click the link icon, paste your link here, and press Enter. Finally, you're ready to download this document as a PDF by selecting Share, then Download. Then under the file type, select PDF Standard. Alright, the next step is to create a landing page. This is the page where people will put their email address to receive their free ebook. And this is also where a lot of creators will tell you you need to buy some expensive tool that they're promoting. While I agree these tools are great options for somebody that's already making some money, I don't really see how they're necessary or even feasible for a beginner. So let me demonstrate this 100% free method for building yourself a nice landing page. But first, if you're finding value in this video, please smash that like button for me. Alright, for this you're going to need to use 2 sites, Gumroad and Linktree. They're both super simple to get signed up, just as before. Enter your email, create a password, etc. So we'll skip that and get started in Gumroad. The first thing you'll see on your homepage here is create your first product. Select this, then name your product. I'll name this a Law of Attraction Guide. And this is an ebook, so I'll select this, then set my price to 0 and click Next to customize. Then you're going to need to add a short description as well as a cover image or video and a thumbnail image. So let me show you the quick and easy way to build these in Canva. Here either select the Facebook cover template or the YouTube thumbnail template. Then you want to go back to the cover page of your original ebook, group this text, right-click and copy it. Then right-click back on your new design and paste your text. Then click away from your text onto the background and change the background color to black. Now you can ungroup your text, adjust the size to fit, and if you want to get fancy, go ahead and grab a stars or space image from Canva. Drop that on here, push it to the back, then turn its transparency down like this, and there you go. Then for the thumbnail, you just want to go to Magic Switch and change the size to 600 by 600 square. Then repeat the process of readjusting your text to fit. And now if you want to take things a step further and you have ChatGPT 4, then you can use DALL-E 3 to generate some really sharp images for your banner and thumbnail. As you can see, I directly asked for what I wanted and these are my results. DALL-E 3 is great for natural language, simple prompting. Now you can simply upload your cover and thumbnail to Gumroad. Then select Save and Continue. Then on this page, you want to upload your ebook interior from Canva. And just like that, once you select Publish and Continue, your ebook is publicly available on Gumroad. Now finally you're ready to create some Pinterest pins, and again we'll be using ChatGPT and Canva. Start by prompting ChatGPT to give you 10 quotes for Pinterest pins about money and the law of attraction, and bam, instant quotes for your Pinterest pins. Next, back in Canva, create a design and look through these Pinterest pin templates, finding one that suits your niche. Then just paste the quote you got from ChatGPT. Once you have this downloaded, then we can upload it to your Pinterest profile. Back in Pinterest, simply click on the plus icon and select Pin. And for the title and description, again, your friend ChatGPT has you covered. Simply prompt, can you give me a title and description for my first Pinterest quote? And there you go, super simple. Copy and paste this and you're all set. And now for the important part, setting up your Linktree link and adding it to your post. First thing you'll do is go to Gumroad and copy the link to your ebook. Then head back to your Linktree page and add this link here. Now your Linktree link is live and this new Linktree link is what you want to add to your pin. So copy the URL, take it back to Pinterest, add it to your post. And that's it, you are ready to publish. Now anyone who clicks the link on your pin will be prompted to put in their email to receive their free ebook. I'll do a quick test purchase so I can show you what the ebook looks like inside. So now that I have this ebook downloaded, you can see on the first page is the hyperlink to your affiliate product. And if I click this, you can see it takes me straight to the affiliate's video. Now, if somebody follows this link and makes a purchase, you will get a commission. And there you have it, my simplified free method to get you started with affiliate marketing. I would suggest building a bunch of these pins in Canva, then scheduling them to go out 2 or 3 times a day. This is a numbers game at this point. The more you post, the more chances you have of conversion. If you found this tutorial helpful, please smash that like button for me and consider subscribing to my channel. Best of luck with your new Pinterest affiliate marketing ventures. Until next time, be blessed, everybody.